Hello, this is Joanne with the AVA Method, and I'd like to show you how to set up your proposal and to customize that when you start AVA. So the first thing you'll do is go ahead and log in to avamethod.com, and first you'll go to Settings and then Proposal Setup. And what you'll notice is that the first title is Introduction, then About Us, Price Information, then you have Terms for Proposal. You can customize the titles, and you can also delete them if you want to take them out. So here for introduction, to edit it, we'll go to the pencil, click on the pencil, and it'll pop up your text box. So here you can type anything that you like. I had put, thank you for allowing us the opportunity to create your event of your dreams. We are just a phone call away, and then included our phone number. I can also include our email address. And the other thing that I did was when I put the logo in here, you can also link that to your website. So you simply click on the picture and then you can add your website right there. And then to save it, you press Update. The next section is About Us. If you would like to edit that, enter your text here. And then to save it, you press Update. The next section is the price information, and please leave this blank, as this is where AVA will take your event services in your package and merge them into your portfolio. So please don't change any information here. The next is Terms for Proposal, and you can go to Edit. You can copy and paste your unformatted proposal and terms and contract in here also. And once you do that, you can take these and you can bold them, you can underline, italicize, as you like. You can also add bullets. You can also link information. What I do is I go to the eventhelper.com for the wedding insurance. So couples can go directly from their proposal and their contract to buy their wedding insurance. I've listed some of the hotels in the area and bulleted them, and then you can just fill in the rest of it. And to save it, go ahead and update. Then you can scroll down and you can add testimonials and also portfolio. So they can click that and it'll take them straight to the video. So those are all the sections. If you have any questions, please call me at 210-844-4477. Or you can email me at joanne@avamethod.com. Thank you. Hello everybody, this is Joanne Soward, and I'm going to walk you through how to set up your event services and your event types. So the first thing you'll do is log in to avamethod.com and go ahead and put your username and password in. So the first thing you'll do is go into Settings, and then from Settings, go to Event Type. And the way AVA is set up, that your event type is like a Roman numeral 1 if you're looking at an outline. So event type is Roman numeral 1, and then your event services are your A, B, C, D. So these are the broad categories that you have. So I've pre-populated these with some types of events that most event planners do. We have anniversary parties, baby shower, bar and bat mitzvah, beach weddings, bridal showers, so on. If you'd like to add a new one, you can simply go here to Add New Event Type, and you can type it in. You've entered in your new event type. Now we have luau party, and you can always edit it. So you can go ahead and edit that, and then save it. You can also delete, hit the X button and delete it. So that's everything you need to know about event types. The next is event services. A, B, C, D, the event services that you do for the broad categories. So one of the broad categories was Day of Coordinator. The event service would be Day of Coordination, and right here I've added 47 steps. The pencil, the edit button, you scroll down and click Day of Coordination. Then your event service title is Day of Coordination. Your service price, go ahead and just add that in. And then I've already populated it with 45 of the basic duties that a Day of Coordinator has. So you can always add a new one, add your information. You simply select which person you want this to be assigned to, the customer, the vendor, or the employee. So right here above us at 47, I said, please send me your vendor information, and I've tagged the customer in that one. So for special notes, you can add that. You can add vendor policies and customer policies. And these three will be shown on the client screen also. And once you do that, go ahead and save. You can add as many as you like by simply add a new event service. Then you select which one. So if we wanted to add something for the luau, it could be the Polynesian dancers. And we can put there for 1 hour. And I know they're $900 per hour. And my work detail would be something like, confirm. And I would want to do that 90 days before, and I would assign that to an employee. And I go ahead and add that service. Okay, and then for special notes, one of the things for special notes would be they have a win policy for the fire dancer. Okay, and so the vendor policy is the fire dancer. Okay, so here for the vendor policy, the fire dancer has a wind policy. If it's too windy, he will not perform, and that will not be refunded, but the dancers will fill in that time slot. So you just put that there, and then if you have a customer policy, you could do that also. So that's the first one. So we can add that service, the work detail, and then we can just keep on adding if you'd like. Contact the caterer, and then you can assign that to an employee, and then the caterer can send their quote, and that'll give them a reminder 80 days prior, and then you tag the vendor in that one. Go ahead and add that, and then we can also give a duty to the client. Okay, and so the client work detail would be, please confirm the condo that you'll be staying in, and we will do a walkthrough. And we will schedule a walkthrough. And this is due 90 days before, and it's going to be tagged for the client. So you can add that. We'll go ahead and save this information. And there you go. So like I said, you can add as many services as you like. You can edit any of them that are in here. So just remember, you go ahead and do the broad categories for event type, and then you get more specific for all of the details that you do and all the different services that you offer under event services. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please call me at 210-844-4477, or send me an email at Joanne, Joanne, at avamethod.com. Thank you very much. Hi, this is Joanne Soward with the AVA Method, and we're going to learn. Next, go down to Settings, Customer Packages. You can go to Add a New Package. And then in the Event category, the pull-down menu down, and you'll see we'll use Full Service Bridal Consultant for our example. So then you just name your package. And I'm just very basic, the Full Service Bridal Consultant package. And so what I do here is click on Full Service Bridal Consultant, because that is my event service, and all of these are event services. So if you help with venue rentals, ambiance design, catering, coordinating the lighting, you just go through and click all the ones that you help with. Okay, and as an example, we'll go ahead and click these. And as an example, and then down here, you have your package price. So here you can add, we'll say $4,000. And this is very important. Here I require 50% down. And then the next is 50%, and I'll say 14 days before the event. Let's go ahead and add that. And then here you can have the package policy. So here you can say something like unlimited phone calls, emails, and 1 in-office visit per month. And then you could say, you know, I will accompany you to appointments if you wish. So you go ahead and save that. So here we are with full service bridal consultant package. And you can always go in and edit it with the pencil button, and then you can add things as you like, and you can also take away things. So if maybe you don't do attire coordination, maybe you don't do the room block, and you can add things like, you know, marriage license reminder. One thing that I would suggest that you add is an event service that's final details, and then additional items and services. And this is a really great way for you to have a folder where you can put all the extra details and services that may come up. And go ahead and save. Go to contacts. You can pick a contact or add a contact. And then you come down here to add event. Click there. And right here, all of this information is already filled out for you. You come to event, the general information. So you pick which category, and we'll say this is full service bridal consultant, and the date of the event. You can do the approximate budget, where the event will be held, and if you don't know it, you can just put in the zip code of your office, and that can always be changed. And then here's where your package information shows up. So here we can choose the one that we just added, full service bridal consultant package. And it populates with all of those services that we just picked. And if you notice, I have 0 out to the side of the event services, and the only service that has a price next to it is the full service bridal consultant. So you can add and subtract all of these other services as you like. You can always pick and choose the ones that you didn't, so you can always add them if it's not included in your package, but you're going to add it, you know, in addition to. And then if you want to add your honeymoon, you can do that. Click down here on Generate Proposal and give it a minute. And here's your complete proposal. So you have your header, your About Us, the price information, the date, the client's name, the service that you're providing, and then the amount. And then these are all the services that I said that I would do that's included in the full service consultant package. Here's our terms, testimonial, and a portfolio. So from here, I can email this to the client, and it's sent off. And then you can look and view. You can always view what the status of your proposals are. You go to proposal, and right here for David Soward, it's pending, and it shows me that the proposal has been mailed. So that's how you create a package and then attach that to a contact, and that's how you send a proposal. And that's how you send a proposal and include a package. If you have any questions, please give me a call at 210-844-4477, or you can email me at joanne@avamethod.com. If you would like, you can watch the next video where we'll go into an event and see all of the different parts of an event. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.